Hi everyone, welcome to my tour of the model train set that I have. A little background on it. Um, my dad's always been interested in model trains, and so he was making it, and then I was born, and then we just kept building it together. Been to the local model train store, and have just made it more than what it used to be, and will continue working on it for hopefully years to come. This lamp right here is a gift I got him one year from the local arts festival. It's a Lionel train um, with the, oh goodness, is that the conductor? The engineer? Terrible with names. Um, in a scene. So let's go and take a look inside. So you see it's in our tool room. So it's right over here. You see, it's a nice little town. And we have a couple trains around here. We have a Santa Fe right down here, along with a DC Metro, or an Amtrak, I think, actually. Yeah, an Amtrak train right here. And then we have a Chesy right here, with a couple of cars right behind it, all the way to the caboose right here. And some of these do work, some of them don't. This one doesn't work, it's just a die-cast plastic. The Santa Fe used to work, but suddenly it starts smoking if we use it, so it must be something with the wiring, so we've stopped using it. But, why don't we put the train on for a second on a low speed. Let that come around every once in a while. So if we take a closer look in here, this is an N-scale train set. We have a train station right here, Terrapin Station. We have the Lincoln Memorial, which got at the... There we go. Didn't get enough power. You have the local mine, the fire station, the factory, the diner, the house, a delivery truck. Over here is a mechanic shop. Let me see if I can get a good view of that. Let's see. Best view I'm gonna get. And then we have a demolished house here, house being demolished currently. We have the baseball field. A couple of advertisements around it, like Ocean City, and some other things. They have the bank, have a hotel, a couple of other big buildings. And you see the hotel's currently on fire. Thankfully we have firefighters and police ready to help and save the day. There's an Exxon gas station right next to it. Hopefully fire doesn't spread there. And we have the bail bonds right next to that as well. There's a church over here, one of two churches on the land, across from a little house, a little cute little house. You have the school right here. Little school bus and the playground. And the Hooters sign. And then we have a farm right here, big farmhouse, the barn, silo, the coop and everything with the horses and the cows. Then we have the trailer park right over here, at least one trailer right here. Definitely a nice little unit. Guy standing right outside it with his car. Another little trailer right over here. Let's see, then we have the other church on the set with a little graveyard. It's currently a funeral going on, but happens in life, I suppose. And then we have the mountain over here, which has a nice little crashed World War II plane, and then God We Trust, and the little house up on the mountain. And then we have in the corner a lighthouse. And of course the pièce de résistance, the helicopter flying above. I like to say it's for the local news team. And obviously it isn't a real thing, it's just one of my little toys that we hung up with string. So yeah, this is it. This is our train set. And we're hoping to expand it, but we don't have much space to do. So you can see right over here, start to get into some of the part of the tools. So we need to be able to expand, but thankfully we have a nice little facade that shows a little blue sky and all that. And of course the beautiful thing about it is that we can turn off the light, actually. And you'll see that we have the Terrapin Station lighting up along with the schoolhouse, the farmhouse, and the fire. So thankfully we got a couple of those, and we used to have more lights in, but I think they must have died recently. We'll have to get those replaced. But this is the train, and of course we can make it go a little faster. And of course we have the fake train line going through here that never really connects. I forgot to mention that. With the other train that doesn't have, that has the die-cast plastic locomotive from a friend of ours. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty nice. I forgot to mention, you'll see the I think those are Stegosaurus, some type of dinosaurs on the field, and hopefully that doesn't interfere too much with their gameplay. But nonetheless, yeah, this is it, and yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you around soon.